What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This is Mike here with Trushine Cleaning, and I'm at a new customer's house doing a mattress cleaning. What I'm doing right now is applying the deodorizer to it, the neutralizer, I should say, the urine neutralizer. It does have a lot of urine stains on this mattress, and I did let the customer know. I cannot guarantee if all these stains will come out. She said it has been in this condition for a while, so so these things has been sitting for some time. I want to work. I want to work on it, do my best on it, see if I can lighten up some of these spots. Her main focus is really the smell, not really the color of the car. I mean, the color of the condition of it. She just really wants the smell to be gone. So I told her I can definitely neutralize the urine smell, but I can't guarantee I can get all the urine spots out. So I'm gonna show you guys the condition of it. As you guys can see, it does have a lot of urine stains on it. So what I'm doing right now, I am applying the urine neutralizer to the mattress right now. Then I want to apply another cleaner to it to help uplift those stains. All right, you guys. So just got done with the mattress cleaning. Everything came out pretty good, actually. It lightened up very well, way more than I thought it was. But pretty sure it will lighten up once it fully dries. But she's added on one of her rooms. She want to get carpet done in. So I'm about to wrap up all my equipment now and get ready to clean this one room of carpet. I'm going to low moisture clean it with the Auric. So show you guys that process as well. Here goes the mattress. So you guys can see it. Not sure how good it's showing on camera. If you guys seen how it looked previous in the video. So everything came out pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna go down and get my vacuum and everything and just clean this one little area right here. So as you can see, just a small area. It's a lot of high traffic right here. So it's a kids room, so you know how that goes with kids and things. So but show you guys that process as well. All right, you guys. So as you can see, got the meshes out the way, and I'm actually going to do this room as well. So I showed you guys the other room I'm going to do. I'm going to do this room and the kids room. So show you guys the process. Finna see how good of a good vacuum I get. And I'm gonna apply my cleaning agent to the carpet, let it sit for a while. Then I'm gonna go out and get my Auric. So right now, I only have my vacuum and my bucket. It's kind of a long setup, I mean, a long distance between my van and this townhouse. It's a lot of steps, so I'm trying not to carry as much stuff up and down those steps. So show you guys the process. When I tell you guys there's a lot of steps, let me show you guys. And this is not all of them because she actually has some in her house. You gotta go about another 12 other steps once you get into her house. So man, I think I've been up and down on probably this would be maybe my fourth time going up the steps. So yep, so you guys see, It's a pretty long run up and down those steps. So right now I vacuumed the floor already. I got the pre-spray sitting on the floor. Now I'm about to get ready to agitate with the Oric. Then I'm going to low moisture clean it with the bonnet pad. So I'll show you guys the process. Alright guys, so I got the room all vacuumed, pre-sprayed, and agitated. So now I'm about to get ready to low moisture clean it with the pad and see how good these carpets come out. As you can see, those dark stains lighten up very well, so I'm pretty sure those will come out once I go over it. Show you guys the after process once I'm done. Thanks for watching. Alright you guys, so I finished up the bedroom. Everything came out great in the bedroom. So right now I'm rinsing out my pad to get ready to do the kids' room. So I'm gonna see how well this area, this is the worst area. So I'm gonna see how good that comes out. Show you guys how this room came out. So everything came out pretty good. So it does have some little dark areas right there. I just sprayed my product on it, and I'm going to come back and get some of these darker areas. So I just sprayed that side, and I just sprayed this side. So just to see if it lightened up anymore. So I'm going to do this room first, then I'm going to come back and do these couple areas that I sprayed. Alright, you gotta get you guys some little live footage of me bonneting the carpet, I should say. And I'm gonna purchase me some microfiber pads. I've been seeing a lot of guys on YouTube use them. Leave a shout out to I believe his name's Joe Wheeler. He's the Oric guy, man. He used Oric on all the carpets he cleaned. I watch a lot of his videos. He's one of the reasons why I actually purchased the Oric. So I'll give a shout out to him. But he also he used a lot of the microfiber pads. Those pads usually work pretty well. I never used them myself, but just to see the results he get out of them, you know. So I'm gonna look into it. I use a lot of microfiber towels when I'm cleaning, so just imagine how that pad can do. I know it does pretty good. This towel, I like how they absorb so much. So I'm pretty sure those pads can absorb a lot coming out of these carpets. Alright, you guys, so here goes the finished walkthrough of the carpet. As you can see, how the mattress is. So you guys can see the carpet came out great. So I sprayed a little neutralizer on the mattress now before I'm leaving to see if it lightened up some of those stains, but it looks great.